Assalamualaikum and welcome to my presentation on decision theory. First of all, my name is ESHAZREEN binti RAZI, and today I will be explaining about John Dewey's 5-step decision making model using a real life example that you guys can probably relate to, which is what to do when your shoes are torn and you need to head out. So, the first one is the introduction. For the introduction, John Dewey, an American philosopher or an educator, was born on October 20, 1859 in the United States and passed away on June 1, 1952 in 1910. He wrote a book called How We Think, in which he created the 5-stage decision process, which was classified as a sequential decision process. Sequential decision process are models that divide decision process into groups that always appear in the same order or sequence. John Dewey's model consists of 5 main stages, which are problem recognition. After that, define and identify the problem. Next, suggestion of possible solution, and then consequences are considered, and lastly, a solution is considered. Let's go through each of these stages using the torn shoes example with animation. You are getting ready to go to class or work and suddenly notice your shoes are torn. That's step 1, recognizing the problem. Something's wrong and it needs your attention. Next is step 2, defining the problem. It's not just that your shoes are torn, you don't have a backup pair. And to make things worse, it's raining outside. Walking in those shoes could make things worse or even cause you to get sick. Now, let's move to step 3, suggesting possible solutions. What can you do? The first idea is to buy a new pair of shoes. The second idea is to fix the shoes temporarily with tape or glue. And the third idea is to wear sandals or slippers that you have at home. That's where step 4 comes in, thinking through the consequences. Buying new shoes is the best long-term solution, but maybe your budget is tight this week. Fixing the shoes is quick and cheap, but will it last through the rain? And lastly, wearing sandals might not follow class or work rules, and you might be uncomfortable. You weigh the pros and cons just like that. Finally, step 5, choose the best option. You decide to fix the shoes just enough to get through today, maybe with glue or tape, and then check online for a new affordable pair later this evening. It's not perfect, but it works for now, and it keeps your feet dry. This process doesn't just work for shoes. You can use John Dewey's model for academic problems, career choices, money decisions, even group work. It's flexible and logical, and it encourages clear thinking every step on the way. In conclusion, John Dewey's 1910 decision theory enables people to solve problems by thinking clearly and step by step. It begins by identifying the issue and then defining the problem, analyze the problem, compare ideas of the problem, and examine the satisfaction of the choice that have been made. This method is effective in daily life because it helps people make informed and careful decisions. By following these steps, a person can understand their problem and find the right answer. And then these are references that I use in this presentation that support John Dewey's work and the ideas. And that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.